In this lesson, we are going to look at equilibrium of a particle inside a capacitor. These two capacitors are connected to a battery that gives them a potential difference of V. Inside this capacitor there is a particle of mass 10 milligram and charge minus 0.01 microcoulomb, and this particle is in equilibrium here. The surface area of the plates of the capacitor on one side, that is what we call A, is 100 centimeters square. So now we have to find V so that this particle remains in equilibrium. One important thing to understand is that these two capacitors are in series. If they are in series, charge on both is same, and since the capacitance of both is also same, therefore this V will be equally divided amongst both the capacitors, because Q is CV. Now C is same, so therefore V must be equally divided between these two. So the potential difference across this will be V by 2, and across this also will be V by 2. This is V1. So V1 is V by 2. Now the particle is in equilibrium. What is the meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium means forces are balanced. So the downward gravitational force will be balanced by the upward electrical force. Electrical force is upward because this plate is plus charge and this particle is minus charge. So for equilibrium, mg will be equal to q into E. Now therefore the electric field will be equal to mg by q to keep the particle in equilibrium. Now we know that the potential difference between the plates is given by E into D. So therefore the potential difference V by 2 will be equal to E into D, where D is the distance between the plates, and this therefore becomes mg D by Q. Now V therefore is 2 mgd by Q. Now we don't know D, right? We know Q, we know M, we know G. How to get D? We know capacitance, and we know capacitance is given by epsilon naught A by D. So capacitance is epsilon naught A by D. So therefore D is epsilon naught A by C. So this D we can write as epsilon naught A by C. So therefore this equation becomes 2 mg D by Q. D is gone because D is epsilon naught A by C. So we'll write epsilon naught A by C. Now everything will convert to SI units, okay, and we'll put the values, and if you do the calculation, this answer comes to 43 millivolts. That is the value of V.